The comfort revolution. Introducing suspension seat posts. Cycling is fantastic for fitness and exploration, but bumpy roads can be a pain. Enter the suspension seat post, transforming the cycling experience for all riders. These seat posts absorb shocks and vibrations, offering a smoother ride. Imagine gliding over cobblestones and navigating potholes with ease. This guide explores suspension seat posts, their benefits, and how to choose the right one. Absorbing the shock. What is a suspension seat post and how does it work? A suspension seat post is a shock absorber for your bike with a built-in suspension mechanism. There are two main types, elastomer-based and spring-based. Elastomer suspension uses a rubber compound to absorb shocks, while spring-based relies on a coil or leaf spring. Both types isolate the rider from road impacts, providing a smoother ride. Finding your perfect fit. Factors to consider when choosing a suspension seat post. Consider the type of riding you'll be doing. Are you mostly on paved roads or do you venture off-road frequently? For paved roads, an elastomer-based seat post with moderate travel is sufficient. This type of seat post provides a comfortable ride without too much bounce. For rougher terrain, a spring-based seat post with greater travel is better. It can absorb more impact, making your ride smoother and more controlled. Think about your weight and riding style. Heavier riders may need a seat post with stronger springs or elastomers to provide adequate support. Ensure the seat post can accommodate your weight and gear. If you carry a lot of equipment, make sure the seat post is rated for the additional load. Check compatibility with your bike's frame and saddle height. Not all seat posts fit all bikes, so it's crucial to ensure a proper fit. Look for adjustability in preload, rebound, and travel. These features allow you to fine-tune the seat post to match your specific riding conditions and preferences. These factors will help you find the perfect seat post for your needs. A well-chosen suspension seat post can significantly enhance your riding experience, providing comfort and control. Smooth riding. Welcome to our comprehensive step-by-step guide to using your suspension seat post. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a beginner, this guide will help you get the most out of your ride. First, start by removing your old suspension seat post. This is a crucial step to ensure a proper fit for your new seat post. Next, apply a generous amount of grease or carbon paste to the new seat post. This helps in smooth installation and prevents any unwanted noises or slippage. Once the new seat post is in place, tighten the seat post clamp bolt to the specified torque. Using a torque wrench ensures that you don't over-tighten or under-tighten the bolt. Now adjust the saddle height and angle to match your riding style and comfort. Proper saddle adjustment can make a significant difference in your riding experience. Fine-tune the preload settings on your suspension seat post. This adjustment allows you to customize the seat post response to your weight and riding conditions. If your suspension seat post has a rebound adjustment, make sure to set it according to your preference. This controls how quickly the seat post returns to its original position after compression. Take some time to experiment with different settings. Finding the perfect balance between comfort and performance can greatly enhance your riding experience. Once everything is set up, enjoy a smoother, more comfortable ride. The suspension seat post will absorb shocks and vibrations, making your ride more enjoyable. If you're unsure about any step or need further assistance, don't hesitate to consult a professional mechanic. They can provide expert advice and ensure everything is installed correctly. Top picks recommended suspension seat posts for every rider. Suntour SP12-NCX suspension seat post, affordable and reliable for daily commutes and light trails. Cane Creek eeSilk, lightweight and smooth, ideal for mixed terrain. Fox Racing Shox Transfer Performance Elite Dropper Post, high performance with on-the-fly saddle height adjustment. Redshift Shock Stop suspension seat post, dual suspension for various terrains. A smoother ride awaits. The benefits of choosing a suspension seat post are numerous and impactful. Suspension seat posts enhance comfort by absorbing shocks and vibrations, making your ride much smoother and more enjoyable. They significantly reduce stress on your body, allowing you to ride longer distances without feeling fatigued. This means more time enjoying the scenery and less time worrying about discomfort. The improvement in comfort is immediate, especially noticeable on rough and uneven roads where the suspension seat post absorbs the harsh impacts. They also enhance cycling performance by maintaining tire contact with the ground, which improves stability and control, especially on challenging terrains. Reduced fatigue means you can conserve energy, allowing for longer rides without feeling exhausted. This is particularly beneficial for long-distance cyclists and those who enjoy extended rides. Suspension seat posts are truly a game-changer for all cyclists, offering smoother, more enjoyable rides. Whether you're a casual rider or a serious cyclist, the benefits are clear and undeniable.